Feel like it's fall now, so I went shopping. I just bought a ton of stuff from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to be spending the next few days uploading videos of me making each one of these items. Hey friends! Today we're going to be making this pumpkin gnocchi. Today we're going to be cooking this pumpkin gnocchi with this autumn harvest creamy pasta sauce. So I'm really excited to try it. They're both from Trader Joe's. Let's see how it tastes. I am starting by boiling a pot of water. For the gnocchi, you just put it into boiling water for 2 minutes. Okay, so the water is almost at a boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the sauce. I'm just gonna use a little bit. As you can see, I was very methodical. I measured everything to a T. And the water is almost at a boil now. I think we'll be putting it in really soon. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and add the gnocchi. I forgot how to say it. We're gonna add this. We're gonna carefully add it. Okay, according to the label, it said wait for about 2 minutes or until the little thingies start to pop to the top, which it looks like they're slowly starting to pop to the top. So it should be ready soon. We're gonna wait for a few more. Ooh, very nice. Look at this. Almost exactly 2 minutes on the dot. We'll just wait for a few more. I think they're ready. They look pretty good. As a side note, I just realized I never actually turned the burner on for the sauce. We are ready. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for those to cool down before I pack them up. Okay, it's ready. We're gonna try this. I'm excited. I've never had gnocchi before. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I can taste the potatoes. I can basically taste everything in it. The potatoes, the pumpkin. I love the sauce. I don't know, I feel like this is something they would probably serve from Olive Garden. So I definitely recommend giving it a try. Okay, so I'm not just saying this because I bought it and I just cooked it in front of you, but it tastes delicious. I don't think I messed it up. It's great. I definitely recommend trying it, especially if you want to get in the fall mood. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see the others that I'll be posting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so that you'll be alerted when the next one comes out, which will be the next day, which would be Friday. Pretty sure it's going to be the raviolis.